welcome to the Hedgehog Hollow YouTube channel membership program here at Hedgehog Hollow. Thank you so much for subscribing to the program. We are super excited that YouTube chose us to be the only craft and DIY channel to be part of this program and to test it out for them. We hope you are excited to be here too and to be part of the community here at Hedgehog Hollow on YouTube. There are so many great things waiting for you. Now, how do you access all of those benefits that you just signed up for? Well, we have, of course, those wonderful coupons, which I'm sure is one of the big reasons you signed up because, hey, I want to save and I'm sure you want to save too. They are in the description below. We will update them regularly, so every time you go to shop, be sure to check those coupons in the video description. Now, some of them do have terms and conditions. Again, we'll add all of those in the video description. Expiry dates, any exclusions, all of those things will be there. Now, some of the codes are also embedded into links, so you don't actually have to enter a coupon code. Again, check that description, all those details are there for you. Sometimes you have to click a little arrow that's in the bottom right hand corner underneath the video, which actually is this side. It's the opposite of how I'm looking at it, but that will be there too. Also, there might be a note that says it doesn't show until the checkout. What does that mean? It means fill your cart, and then when you hit the checkout screen, before you enter all of your payment information, usually on the right hand side, you'll see your basket information will be there, and then underneath it will show your discount code for you and the discount that you have been eligible for. Some of them you do have to enter manually, and if there are any instructions, again, I always add them in there for you. So be sure to check the store and then any instructions, I'll make sure they're there for you. How do you get your birthday card from the Prickle? Because I'm sure you want to receive that. So it takes us about 60 days to get the system entered to populate and get the birthday cards going. So if your birthday card is in the next 60 days, you may find it takes a little bit longer for you to receive yours, but there will be a link again in the description below to a Google form. You go in there, fill out your name, address, all those things, the date of your birthday, any instructions we need to know. Fill that out, submit. If you ever move house, be sure to fill that form out again because we need to know. And there'll be a tick box of I've moved house. I'm just updating my information so that we know to remove your old address because we don't want to be sending it to the old address and things like that. So that's how you receive that one. Content early will just be added to this side of the site first of all, and then we add it to our regular channel afterwards. So that means that you can shop all of those fab products, things like, remember when sticky grids were sold out for so long because we had that fab idea of putting them in Misty, the same with Pixie Spray. So things like that will get added here early. Exceptions to those kinds of things will be blog hops because we're committed to times, and new product releases, if we're doing it again, we're committed to a certain time. So they won't appear over here, but lots of our content will appear here first. You now have access to your fun badges and emojis. So you may have seen that love emoji, the waving high, the excited, the celebrate. You can now use those when we're premiering, when we go live, super chats, all those things. You have access to those and you'll get your badge. Now you get a new badge to start with. Then you have a 1, a 2, a 6 month, and then you have a 1 year and a 2 year. So the longer you remember, the better your badge gets. And if you looked at some of the ones later on, you will have seen how cute those badges are. I can't wait to get to that 1 year one because that pink with a little hat on I think is super, super cute. That was my absolute favorite one. So I can't wait to see you all with your different badges and be chatting with you on our premieres. So they will be coming up soon. And then behind the scenes video content, you will see that pop up. We've already been working on some behind the scenes content of how we film videos and things that go on around here. There's some real fun and some real laughs behind the scenes. And we'll just be popping things up here and there. So you'll get to see some of those. There won't be a set schedule necessarily, but you'll get to see some fun and games that we have behind the scenes. Some of the things that drive Greg mad, like my mess that comes up behind on the sides down here. There'll be some real fun things you'll get to see. And we'll do some lives here and there. Again, those kinds of things will pop up. So thank you so much for being part of our Hedgehog Hollow community. I hope you have fun chatting with each other during lives and interacting with each other too, and that we get to meet in person at different events and things. I always pop on Instagram if I'm going to an event, so you'll be able to find out where I am. I would love to meet some of you. It's not a perk as part of this, but I would love to be able to meet you all. So stay tuned for some of the craft shows and things we'll be going to this year. I'd love to say hi to you. We'll be at the Akron Adventures in Stamping show in a few weeks' time. And then we're hoping to go to the Cincinnati show later in the year, organised by Stampers Anonymous. So I will see you all very soon. Thank you so much for being part of the Hedgehog Hollow channel membership program. I'm super excited, and I'll see you again very soon. Happy stamping, everyone. Bye.